A favorite vegetable that has made its way into many kitchens worldwide are tiny cabbages, also referred to as Brussels sprouts. Various dishes can be enhanced with these miniature cruciferous wonders. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we have an exciting and informative video for you. We're going to dive deep into the world of Brussels sprout cultivation and explore the techniques that have made it possible to harvest millions of tons of these tiny cabbages. So, if you've ever been curious about how Brussels sprouts are grown, stay tuned because we've got a lot to cover. Cultivating millions of tons of tiny cabbages, also known as Brussels sprouts, is an intricate process that starts with careful land selection. These mini cabbages thrive in cooler climates like the UK, the Netherlands, and parts of North America. Here's how it's done. Before planting, farmers put a lot of effort into getting the soil just right. Brussels sprouts prefer well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter. The soil should be slightly acidic, with a pH of around 6.5. This sets the stage for healthy growth and nutrient absorption. Seeds of Brussels sprouts are planted in nurseries. To protect them from harsh weather, these seeds are initially sown indoors or in greenhouses. Once they grow into young seedlings with a few true leaves, they're ready to be transplanted into the fields. Brussels sprouts, often referred to as tiny cabbages, begin their growth as seeds in nurseries. To shield them from harsh weather, these seeds are initially planted indoors or in greenhouses. When they reach a suitable size and maturity, typically as young seedlings displaying a few true leaves, they are carefully moved to the open fields. This transplantation process ensures that the delicate seedlings have a strong start in a controlled environment before they face the challenges of outdoor conditions, allowing for a more successful and robust crop. In order to grow Brussels sprouts successfully, you need to space them properly. The farmers plant them in rows at the right distance from each other. In this way, they are sure to get enough sunlight and air circulation. Sunlight is a fundamental requirement for Brussels sprouts. These cool season crops thrive when exposed to full sun, or at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. By spacing the plants appropriately in rows, each Brussels sprout receives its fair share of sunlight. Without proper spacing, the plants may shade one another, hindering photosynthesis and potentially stunting growth. Moreover, sunlight significantly impacts the development and quality of the sprouts themselves, making it essential for a successful harvest. The diminutive cabbages require meticulous care from farmers. This involves vigilant monitoring of their fields, ensuring consistent watering, proper fertilization, and safeguarding against pests and diseases. These tiny cruciferous vegetables are susceptible to common threats such as aphids and cabbage worms. Farmers diligently protect their Brussels sprouts through preventive measures and, when necessary, the application of organic or chemical treatments to ward off these potential threats. This dedicated attention is essential to ensure a healthy and bountiful Brussels sprouts harvest. As the plants grow, they need careful pruning and topping. This means removing lower leaves and the central growing tip to encourage sprout development along the stem. This labor-intensive task helps maximize yield and ensures consistent sprout size. Harvesting Brussels sprouts typically starts in late summer and lasts into late autumn or early winter. The process can be done by hand or with specialized machinery designed to gently remove the sprouts from the stalks, taking care not to damage them. Brussels sprout harvesting demands precise timing to achieve optimal flavor and quality. Typically, when these tiny cabbage heads reach a diameter of around 1 to 1.5 inches, it's the ideal moment for harvesting. Picking them at this stage ensures they are tender and sweet. Allowing them to over-ripen can result in a bitter taste, diminishing their culinary appeal. Farmers and gardeners carefully monitor the growth of Brussels sprouts, aiming to harvest them at the peak of their development. This attention to detail ensures a delectable and satisfying culinary experience when enjoying these miniature cabbages. On larger farms, mechanical harvesters equipped with conveyor belts and cutting mechanisms are employed for Brussels sprout harvesting. These machines offer efficiency and speed, efficiently removing sprouts from the stalks while minimizing damage. The conveyor belts transport the harvested sprouts for sorting and packaging, streamlining the process and increasing productivity. While this method may lack the precision of hand harvesting, it is a practical choice for large-scale production, where the sheer volume of Brussels sprouts makes manual harvesting impractical. Mechanical harvesters ensure cost-effective and timely harvests, while maintaining a reasonable level of product quality. After harvesting, the sprouts go through sorting and grading to ensure they are uniform in size and quality. Automated machines or trained workers do the sorting. In smaller-scale Brussels sprout operations, hand harvesting is the preferred method. Skilled workers play a crucial role in this process as they meticulously snap off individual sprouts from the stalks. This manual approach ensures minimal damage to the delicate sprouts and maintains excellent quality. Hand harvesting allows for careful selection of mature sprouts, ensuring that each one meets the desired size and ripeness criteria. This attention to detail results in a premium product, prized for its tenderness and flavor. While more labor-intensive than mechanical methods, hand harvesting is a hallmark of quality in smaller Brussels sprout operations. Rated for quality, they undergo packaging tailored to market demands. Various size containers, such as bags or clamshells, are used to package these miniature cabbages. The choice of packaging depends on factors like consumer preferences and market requirements. Bags are commonly used for loose Brussels sprouts, offering flexibility in portion sizes. Clamshells, on the other hand, provide a protective and visually appealing packaging option, often used for pre-packaged portions. This packaging versatility ensures that Brussels sprouts are conveniently presented to consumers in ways that meet their specific needs and preferences, enhancing their market appeal. The harvested sprouts are transported to various markets, grocery stores, and restaurants in refrigerated trucks to maintain the right temperature during transit. The success of Brussels sprout cultivation depends on factors like climate, soil quality, and pest management. Whether hand-harvested on smaller farms or mechanically harvested on larger ones, the goal remains the same: providing fresh, high-quality Brussels sprouts to meet the demands of a growing global population. By appreciating the effort and expertise involved in growing and harvesting these tiny cabbages, we gain a deeper understanding of the agricultural processes that sustain our diets and enrich our culinary experiences. The journey of the Brussels sprout exemplifies the dedication of those who work tirelessly to provide nutritious and delicious food options.